Well, busy bees, it looks like it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of sex. When bees don't responsibly stick their stingers into flowers,
or other bees,
they're more likely to get nasty bugs like HIV.
The human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, is spread from infected individuals by the spread of bodily fluids during sex or the sharing of needles. People most at risk are gay and bisexual men.
Our bodies have special immune cells called T cells to help fight infections. HIV infects and kills these cells as they multiply, weakening the immune system and making it easier for us to get sick. If left untreated, this can lead to the development of an irreversible immune disorder, AIDS.
Luckily, the risk of transmission can be as low as 1% with effective strategies. These include limiting your number of sexual partners and wearing contraceptives to prevent the spread of bodily fluids. If exposed to HIV, there are medications you can take to prevent infection.
Pre-exposure prophylaxis, or PrEP, involves taking daily medication, while post-exposure prophylaxis, or PEP, means taking antiretroviral medicines for several weeks after a potential HIV exposure.
It's also important to regularly test for HIV and to talk to your partner about their status.
So kids, to be sexually healthy, remember the PTTs to keep your T cells happy.